5 complaints. Then, all of a sudden, in 2006, they identified 88 complaints. That is incredible. Now, what happened with those 88 complaints? Absolutely nothing. They were dismissed the same way all other complaints were dismissed. You can see also something that is statistically impossible. For 9 years, the number of complaints filed by complainants hovered.
I'll ask you once again, what is it that you want the rules to do to remedy your perception of something going wrong?
I will address that question because I think it's a fair question. I would like to simply to finish with this analysis of the statistics because it
you've had almost 20 minutes. I'll give you another 5 minutes, but you certainly have to get to the rules and tell me something, tell the committee something about what rules you think ought to be drafted to implement the statute rather than attacking the statute.
Well, Judge Winter, I am not attacking the statute. I am attacking the usefulness of the rules. You began the hearing by asking whether the rules should be addressed to the Chief Circuit Judge or to the complainant. And I am indicating that it doesn't matter. It won't change anything. Also, I would like to point out that the professor had 55 minutes to present that.
You are not going to get 55 minutes, Dr. Cordero. The professor was engaged in a useful discussion of the draft proposed rules. I have yet to get any concrete suggestion from you as to how the rules ought to be redrafted.
The rules should be redrafted in such a way that complaints are made public, that the secrecy protecting judges is lifted, that the public knows why is it that people are complaining so that one can establish a pattern of conduct on the part of judges, either on one judge, because there are several complaints filed against him, or on the part of judges because they engage in coordinated judicial wrongdoing. And why would they not do that if there is no possibility that they would be disciplined? In this graph that I present on page 3, of all the complaints that were filed during 10 years, 7,462, how many judges were disciplined? 9. 9 judges of all that. That is less than 1.1%. That means that however much we discuss here about the rules as they stand now, they are going to be fundamentally useless because they mirror the rules that are now in effect, and therefore they are going to have the same effect as the current rules, based on the principle that people say that the hallmark of irrationality is to do the same thing while expecting a different result. Well, that applies here.
Well,